If I told you success is not about luck, but it's about how you design your day? Talking about the power of structure routine for peak mental and emotional control. Best traders and entrepreneurs don't rely on motivation. They rely on system. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will have a daily routine that is designed to make you unstoppable. Foundation of mental alchemy routine. Here's all the 3 formulas: the mind, energy, and execution. Why routine matters? Well, let me tell you, it reduces decision fatigue, strengthen your mental discipline, and not only that, it aligns your mind and body to peak focus. Imagine using these habits like a skill tree that will, every action you take levels you up. Here are the 6 key elements of a mental alchemist routine. Number 1, you got the morning mental reset. You want to do visualization and meditation, like I talked plenty of times before. Meditation is very important for clarity. And then you have visualization as well, which is very important to prepare you for the day. When you visualizing, you taking your trade, using your strategy, seeing your entry, and also seeing your exit, planning your exit. And another way to do so is journaling. When you journal, you set an intention for the day before you take a trade. So you want to journal about, basically have a plan. As you review the market, you want to see, okay, this is what I see, okay, and this is the trade I want to take. I'm going to enter here and exit here, and then leave my stop loss here. I might trade a stop loss. Or even, like, let's say you lose a trade a day before, or a whole last week you lost a trade. So you might want to set some boundaries so you will basically keep your account at a certain level and keep you as a not over trading or not FOMOing, okay? Then you got number 2, energy optimization, which is hydration, movement, like going to work out in the morning, running in the morning. Then you got nutrients. You want to eat good, healthy food, not processed food. Believe it or not, when you eat processed food, it actually make your mind not clear. It actually make your mind cloudy, okay? And also can make your body fatigue as well. Then you want to do impact. You want to do like sunlight. Also, the impact of a sunlight and breath work also help. Why I like to be in the sun in the morning? I go on a walk because it makes me feel fresh. If I can feel it on my skin, it makes my skin and my body feel energized. And then when you do the breath work, you send in oxygen throughout your whole nervous system, and then also throughout your blood system. Okay, your blood carrying oxygen throughout your whole body also is helping your body flow much easier. Okay, there's nothing feel heavy inside. Then you have trading prep, which you want to do market review and strategy alignment. You want to look at the market, set your key levels, set your resistance and support, and then you want to align your strategy based on what you see in the market. Okay, and then also before you take a trade, you want to do a emotional check-in. If you do not have a worksheet, eventually, if I don't already have it eventually I will have emotional worksheet. Also will have it in the journal as well. You could take a look at. And then number 4, midday reset. Midday reset. Once again, you want to have a midday reset. Take a quick 5 minutes mental reset technique. For example, just get up, walk away from the chart, or lock yourself out for a couple minutes. Go outside, take a deep breath, do the box breathing technique, or do the 4-7-8 breathing technique to keep your mind away from stress and anxiety and keep you straight and narrow and focused on what's ahead of you, okay? Then you have number 5, even reflection, trading and mindset journal. Step number 5, training and mindset journaling. What I mean by that, you want to journal your trades, and now in your trades, your emotion and your mindset at the time, not before, but also during and after the trades, okay? And then gratitude practice and subconscious programming. And what I mean by that, a lot of times people, when they make a mistake or leave money on the table, they program their subconscious mind without even realizing, by saying things like, oh, I missed out on this trade, I should have stayed in. But that's the wrong way of thinking, because when you do that, now your subconscious mind pick it up. And what I mean, and you remember what I said, you react off your emotion. So now in the future, you're going to be reacting off that emotion. Your body's going to be telling you, okay, no, stay in the trade. Your subconscious mind going to be telling you stay in the trade, because you might be missing out. But really, you should be getting out the trade, because that is your strategy. Okay? So always do gratitude when you take a trade. Even though you think you left money on the table, realize, okay, I'm thankful for this trade. Even the losing trade, be thankful for that as well, because you are thankful for losing, because you never lose. You are thankful for losing this trade, because now you get take a chance and take a look at it and learn from it and figure out what you did wrong and what you did right. Okay? Now, the step number 6 is step number 6, nighttime mental programming. You want to use visualization to train your subconscious mind while you're asleep. And what I mean by that, I do this a lot. A lot of people should do this. Get you a gold card, a little tiny card, which is a gold card. And what you want to write on there is not what you want in the future, but write what you already have. Even though you don't have it, whatever you looking for, write as like you have it already. For example, I'll write on my gold card, I am very happy. Wait a minute. I'm very happy that I am receiving 100K a month. Is an example. Okay? I am happy that I am receiving 100K a month. Something along that line. Something that's get you in like your future, but you like you already in there, like it's present, okay? I am happy and grateful that I am receiving 100K a month. I am happy and grateful that I am receiving 100K a month. Now, while you saying this, while laying down in bed, you want to visualize this every day, not just at nighttime. Do this before you wake up, because your mind is in a certain state when you first waking up. So it's easy to program your subconscious mind, and it's very important to do so. So, like I said, I'm happy that I am receiving 100K a month, okay? Or I am happy and grateful that I'm receiving 100K a month, okay? But you, like I say, you want to visualize the steps you're going to be taking to make it. Visualize you already doing it. Visualize you going to the bank. Visualize that you're already making that money. Visualizing whatever you want to do, your goals, your dreams, your purpose, the reason why you want your goal, right? Maybe family trips, maybe buying a new car, buying a new house. These are the things you want to visualize, because your subconscious mind do not know that you are actually not there. Your subconscious mind do not know. So when you close your eyes and you visualize it, your subconscious mind actually believes that you actually experiencing it. And that's what you need to do. And this is why visualization is very important key of technique when it comes to quantum leap, self-development, and growth. Now we get into applying this into your real life and trading performance. See, doing this will actually prevent you from making emotional trades, okay? Not only that, these principles will carry out throughout your daily life, not business, fitness, relationship, personal growth. By helping you doing this daily, you're changing your habits from one habit, which is unwanted habit, anti-habits. Might not be a bad habit, but habit that you do not want as your new character, right? So to habits that you do want. And once you continue to do that, what you're doing, you're building consistency. And when you build consistency, and this is what gets you there. It's not about how hard you do it, how you got to do it hard. You got to do a lot. No, it's about being consistent. Don't burn yourself out. Be consistent, okay? That's the key. Success is built through consistent daily habits. Remember that. Success is built through consistent daily habits. And what is one habit that you want to add to your routine? If you have an idea, just add it in a comment for me and let's talk about it. And if you want to get more depth into discipline, hit that video right up here. Click that video, and that video will help you in the ways how to become disciplined and techniques into doing so.